Hello, children. Today, let's learn number 1. Can you say 1?
1.
One sun shines in the sky.
One sun.
Now, let's learn number 2. Can you say 2?
2.
2 hands we use to clap.
2 hands.
Next is number 3. Say 3.
3.
3 claps. Clap, clap, clap.
Clap, clap, clap.
Here comes number 4. Say 4.
4.
4 wheels on a car.
4 wheels.
Let's learn number 5. Say 5.
5.
5 fingers on one hand.
5 fingers.
Next is number 6. Say 6.
6.
6 crayons to color with.
6 crayons.
Now, let's say number 7.
7.
7 colors in a rainbow.
7 colors.
Next is number 8. Say 8.
8.
8 legs on a spider.
8 legs.
Here comes number 9. Say 9.
9.
9 balloons flying up high.
9 balloons.
Finally, number 10. Say 10.
10.
10 stars shining in the sky.
10 stars.